Okay, kids, welcome back to the shop. Today we have something a little bit different. Is I have this watch and I need to adjust the metal band. This is from my previous employer that I retired from, PRT, but this was a 30-year anniversary gift. I was able to choose this. I received it in August of 2024. Yeah, okay? So I've had it that long, and today is July, no, June 29th, 2025. So almost a year. I've had it almost a year, so now it's time to adjust this, okay? This does have a little bit unique clasp. I never saw this before, but it just clips in place like that. I think it's supposed to snap, because sometimes I can get it to actually snap. There it goes. So the only thing is, me being anal, I'm thinking, I'm going to want this clip, this to be, I'm going to want this to be centered. You know what I mean? Right? Because that's just how I am. So what I'm going to do, I believe I'm going to have to take out two links. So I'm probably just going to remove one from each side. Now what I have is I have this device. I got this from Amazon. And I don't know how much it was because it was like a year ago. Never done this before, just so you know. So the idea is you're supposed to be able to put this in, press the pin out. Now you have to select the correct side because the pins only go one way, I believe. That's what everyone's saying. They're tapered. So this looks smaller than this side, so I'm going to say we have to press it that direction. Okay? And this thing's pretty primitive as far as I'm concerned. You can also use push pins of sorts. I do have a cloth down. This looks like something I could have 3D printed. So I say we pop out. All right, I'm speeding it up a little bit here because I'm on the struggle bus. The black band and the black pins, I'm telling you, I can't see anything here. I have my big light on. I can't see. It would make it easier if I could obviously see it because this is so simple. The only thing it does is press it out. The other thing is this this thing from Amazon, it's hokey. You're probably better off with some kind of a pin, like a paper clip or something. But I have it, so I'm going to use it. But you see here, as soon as I get it to work, I'm all excited. There it goes. Look. All right. Still, this thing kind of sucks seeing. It's like a pig in a poke here. All right, so now we just got to pop that one out, right? Yeah, let's pop. Don't lose that pin. I'm sure you guys can't see because I can't see. I'm just kind of doing, there it goes. I'm just kind of, like I said, pigging and poking here. And that's the way they came out, right? Let's get it started. Drink another one. There we go. Okay. And then I don't know how to press it back in. I guess we just push it by hand. You would think there has to be a way to press it in. Do we flip it around and do it maybe? It'd be nice if it came with like an anvil, huh? Maybe it does. I don't know. go. All right. These things are so cumbersome. All right, so that's what I kind of figured. We need to take at least one more out, right? So now we'll take that out from this side. So I do the same thing on the other side of the band. I just, I'm speeding it up here. You guys saw me do it already. It's the same process. It was actually a little easier. I don't know why. Maybe I was able to see, but it went a little bit quicker. Okay. That looks even, doesn't it? I don't know. I think that's going to do it. I'm not going to take out another link. I could probably get away with it, but I think for now, that's going to do it. So now I can wear my watch. There we go. It's working. I got to change the date. But other than that, there we go. It's as easy as that. Now, I don't know if I would buy one of these or not, because you could do the same thing with a push pin. Get a 2x4, drill a hole in it, So whatever you want to do. This thing was awkward. See how it's sloppy. It's kind of awkward to work with. But there you go, guys. Quick and dirty. Now I can wear my retirement gift. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.